Usembut Menteri Rangba bapet ya katenat PWD ba Prestone tensong hakas nginingkong ulalum ya kajingelang bishar kam halor kajing pentrei kam meki projek Surok baper bala pentrei dakan National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited ha Meghalaya. Ki projek ba usembut Menteri Rangba usong bishar ki kentup ya ka Surok Shillong Dawki ka Shillong Western Bypass ka speed corridor bat kumju ru ya ka Tura Bypass. Habakran syakilat pathai Khubor hadian kajing elang uba Prestone ulapan pau ya kajing ihun habayadei ber kajing yat ki kam joka Surok Shillong Dawki wat hapadeng kijing ki bami hakmat namar jong uslam ulaya thoru uba kat kum kathong balabu ki khmi lenti baya kane ka project an Pyndep no house nam 8000 pohunrio.
No, relating to PWD scheme, I've just had a review meeting today. One is about the progress of work Khuborjylla Shillong Dawki road, all the packages, and right now instruction has been given to NEHU to speed up the work, and I'm very sure they'll be able to complete it maybe as indicated in the contract order by the NEHU. So I've seen the work is in progress well. Of course, we do have problem because of this rain, but I'm very sure they'll be able to reach the target as already stipulated in the work order.
When is
That is point number one. Then number two, I also did the review meeting relating to the progress of Western Bypass. Again, we have little challenges with this problem of land. Land means the problem is about, sometimes some people, they claim that the land belongs to me, I did not get the payment, this, that. A lot of things happening like that. So I've given direction to all the district collector to resolve this issue and make sure that the progress of work does not at all affect. And these people, though they claim, until they have the proper document, they cannot just blindly claim like that. So we have taken a decision today, and I've instructed to all the deputy collectors to do the needful and make sure that the progress of work is fully in good pace as we already expected, and I'm very sure we'll be able again to complete on time. And the next one is we had again a review meeting relating to the survey of the speed corridor, starting from Barapani, starting from Umyam up to the border of Assam, where ultimately all the district collectors, they are on the job, and I'm very sure very soon each district collector will be able jointly with the NEHU to finalize the center line of the speed corridor road up to the end point of East Jatja Hills, and the progress, as I said to you, all the three districts, because all the four districts, starting from Khubor district, second is East Khasinews district, West Jatja Hills district, and also East Jatja Hills district. And the last one, I took a review, the progress of the proposed Tura bypass to Dalu. Again, the 3D notification is being prepared by the respective district collector. One is Tura DC and number two is Ampati DC. They are working out about the 3D notification, and very soon this process will be completed, and once that is completed, then they will come out with the 3G notification. So these are the review meetings that I had today with the concerned company NEHU, along with my department, and also with revenue department and the forest department. Shillong Dawki is up to end of 2026. Shillong Dawki, the deadline is 2026. Other projects, even Western Bypass. Tura, we are yet to finalize because, as I said to you, now the notification is still on. So the commencement date also are yet to be fixed.
Khubor.